So hello guys, so today we're going to install this light. This is the Canadian Tire light. It's a company called NOMA, solar powered LED motion security sensor light. It has it has integrated LED and they last about 30 years. That's what this says. And detection range is about 50 feet, like 15 meters. Solar panel charge in sunny, cloudy weather. Easy installation, no wire required. So it has a 750 lumens, the output light, and 30,000 hours last, the time and 1 year warranty. I paid about $50 for this light. So in the box, one manual. It comes with one manual. This light, I can turn it on and show you it's working. Here it turns on like this. Two motions, one is light, one is high, and one is low. One is on, off, and automatic. 3 modes. So the other unit is this. This is the solar panel, small solar. Here let me start the installation. how I installed on the roof. This is the roof. So I installed some piece of wood for the support. So I'm going to put some screws from inside too, and then on the top it's now, as you can see, it's very rigid and tight. Install the light here, and let me turn on and see if that no, the light is not. Maybe so far I think that is the area, or maybe that could be too. Maybe I can install like this. This is more suitable for me, look like. Let me open up those two strings and we can install here like this. This is more feasible place. I think this is the more feasible place for me, look like. Let me install and see, and then yep, this is the best place. One screw is more than enough. You don't have to put two screws. So here you go, guys. So this is this light installed here over the corner because and now we push the button from here, sorry, here. Maybe I just sorry, I have to route this wire. I have to come along like this and make a hole something like here and then go inside. That's what I can understand now. Maybe I can make a hole here. I can. Guys, now I'm going to come inside and see if the sensor works. Oh, here you go. So the sensor works. So now we have to route the cable. So guys, it was very simple, very simple. I even don't have to do anything. This goes from here to this corner, from this corner to here, and I'm going to connect to the light. First I'm going to So here guys, it was very simple, very easy. So I tie up here, small cable here, and charging is here. Now you see, as you can see, very tight, rigid, and it's automatic. So here on the back of the wire, here, and this is the final part.